we are about to upgrade the swing set part. I already took the slide off. It was right there. It's over there on the ground somewhere. Took the slide off. I'm gonna take the existing swing part off. I'm gonna keep this in the slide. Just gonna build an A-frame swing because she swings way too high now. Yeah, that's that. Okay, so I've got my stool and my little bitty tools, which my battery probably weren't dead, but anyway, so I'm gonna start taking this apart, get these swings off here first. So what we're using these. Not these, but these, and then we're gonna, I'm probably gonna end up cutting this plastic off. I'll just use a razor. But anyways, and lengthen the swing, because the swing's gonna be, I think this is like 7. I'll write it 6 something. It's gonna be 10. So make it bigger. And that swing right there, that swing set is not actually a bad swing set. It's just that, our activity set, it's just that she swings really high now, and we're not doing that. But we are gonna keep this end. So I don't know, it might look a little crazy, but once the wood, because the new wood's gonna be treated wood, so once it cures, I'll paint everything and it'll all match. But yeah, so we'll see what it looks like with that activity set on the A-frame swing that we're gonna put up. I can move this. So that's that. That part is done. We're gonna end up moving that part over so we can start building the A-frame swing here. We got to cut some stuff, so I'm gonna pause it because I mean we don't have to show you how to cut wood, whatever. So I purchased these and the swing. I can't get it right. Okay, these and the swing holders off of Amazon. Yeah. Also purchased these from Amazon to hold the A-frame part in and the top of the swing. So you don't have to use all wood and stuff like that. Just easier. Okay, cutting wood. And you see we moved the activate part.
Oh, you want to do that?
No, you're fine. I'm just still trying to zoom it in. I don't want to do it more. Putting the ends on, and then we'll go with putting these on. Well, we said you might be using that today. Do what? So we got those on the end. The dirt's gonna come out, but they're on there.
We can do the other one. Alright, which way you want to go? With this way or that way? Gonna land it down?
I don't think we can go this way. We're going to Geo down this way.
Geo don't do it. We can scoot it this way, this way. That's probably the easiest part. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just do. Yeah, you necessarily got to pick it up. Okay, I think we can do.
We need to come back this way a little bit, you think?
We can. It don't matter. Huh? Oh, we put it wherever you wanted it. So do you want to go that way? Do you go that way?
Yeah, I think so. I don't know if that's like wrong.
I'll be off.
You know. Okay. I guess we need to lay it down. Is that what we're doing? Lay it down.
Yeah, mine is too, but more.
It's back this way?
Towards you. Okay. Now, lay it down. That's still on.
Oh,
Scoot it back this far. Scoot it back this way. More, and then we can try to lift it. Then we'll have to move it again.
Oh, that's what I'm sorry. Okay.
They would be. So now we're going to lift it up. Yeah. We're going to lift it up. And once we lift it up, I'm going to have to drag it back some more. But the deal burn is going to be the way we drag it back some more. You understand what I'm saying? Well, so once we get it up, then scoot it towards, get it up on the tip, then move it this way. Then we'll try to go all the way. If we can't do that, then I'll go get the back. Or I can go get the back. So, you have to do it. Either way. But that's why I was trying to move more into the more hammer. Alright, ready? Me neither.
So, are we?
Oh no, this is your idea. I'm just working with you.
I probably need to what you call
Go
it.
to the
Let's
end.
let it-
We go to the end and walk it up. Good?
Oh, okay, yeah. I can
Okay.
on the leg. Oh, it's gonna hit the box.
What is it?
I think it's gonna hit that box.
That's fine. The box is move in. We just don't let it slam. All right. I'm watching spinning.
I
Ready?
got, yeah. It's gonna go on that hill.
That's fine. It ain't gonna hit the light, is it?
I don't know. It looks like it.
I think it missed the light. Come on, easy. Together, easy, together. I don't think that was together. I think
I think it
it is fine.
Okay, about to stop it because we have to get a ladder and we're gonna do the A and I'll turn it back on. It is looking good though. Look at that, it's awesome. Look at the difference of the, can you see the swing? Yeah, I don't know. But the swing that was originally on the other swing set, look how short it is. We gotta get some more chain for it to extend those because I wasn't buying new swings, that's just stupid. But yeah, so far so good. So far so good. It's getting there. Oops, I'm hitting buttons. What was that? Okay, a little cricket, but let me pause it. About to screw the bolts in the top, so we will not forget that. So yeah, up there, up high. Up high. Camera phone. So much easier with your phone. Okay, so we're done. He went on and put the bolts in here instead of just screws. 10 feet tall. It's got the swings on there. That probably not gonna last because I had to repair it. And then we put the existing slide on there from the other playground thingy activity set. That's not gonna last long either because that slide is really short. But anyways, that is that. There is the finished product. Nice.